Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Qualidon, there was a renowned bakery called the Golden Crust. Initially, the bakery's owner, Mr. Miller, focused solely on baking delicious bread, paying little attention to the overall management of the business. His bread was amazing, but the bakery was often disorganized, orders were frequently late, and customer complaints were piling up. This is where quality planning was lacking. Mr. Miller didn't have a clear plan for how to ensure consistent quality across all aspects of his business, not just the baking itself. One day, a wise consultant, Ms. Harry, visited the bakery. She advised Mr. Miller to implement a quality management system. She helped him establish clear quality standards, from ingredient sourcing to baking processes to customer service. This is where quality assurance came in. Ms. Harry helped Mr. Miller implement checklists for each stage of the process. They trained staff on proper hygiene and baking techniques. They established a system for tracking orders and ensuring timely delivery. With the new systems in place, Mr. Miller could now implement quality control. He introduced regular taste tests, customer satisfaction surveys, and staff feedback sessions. This allowed him to monitor the quality of his products and services and identify any areas needing improvement. Finally, Mr. Miller began focusing on quality improvement. He analyzed customer feedback and identified that many customers wanted more variety. He introduced new bread types and even started offering pastries. He also implemented a new ordering system to reduce delays. Thanks to Ms. Quality's guidance, the Golden Crust transformed. It became not only known for its delicious bread but also for its efficient service and happy customers. Mr. Miller learned that true quality in management encompasses all aspects of the business, from planning and assurance to control and improvement. It's about creating a system where excellence is not just an aspiration, but a consistent reality.